Hello everybody, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture we're going to learn about reversal candlesticks and how to forecast reversals by just looking at the candlesticks. See, every candlestick doesn't have a specific name, but some does, and we are going to forecast reversals by just looking at the candlesticks. First things first, you have to understand the story behind the candlesticks, the dynamics of the candlesticks. Every candlestick may have a different name. 3, 2, 1. Hello future millionaires, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another lecture, and in this lecture we're going to learn about reversal candlesticks and how to spot or how to forecast reversals by just looking at the candlesticks. See, every candlestick doesn't have a specific name, but some does. Okay, and the dynamics of these candlesticks are very important. The story behind what is happening behind these candles, behind the time frame, is more important. So let's get right into it. So the first candlestick that we are going to learn about is called the hammer and hanging man. The candlesticks that you are seeing on the screen are both hammer and hanging man. There's only the color difference. Okay, so first we're going to learn about the hammer candlestick. Okay, so a hammer candlestick signifies that there's gonna be an upward reversal in the future. ये दोनों ही hammer हैं. These both candlesticks are called hammer candlesticks. Okay, the only difference is that where they appear. Okay, suppose the market is going down. I'll choose a different color and okay, so the market is going down. Okay, the market is going down and suddenly one of these candlesticks appear. Okay, one of these candlesticks appear. It can be red or it can be either green. Okay, एकदम से यहाँ पर एक hammer, एक ऐसी candlestick बनती है. Okay, and then we can say that there's a probability. Okay, there's a probability that the stock can reverse in the future. आगे जाके मार्केट में अप ट्रेंड आ सकता है. सडनली नहीं आएगा, ऐसा नहीं कि आज हैमर पैटर्न बना और अगले दिन से रिवर्सल आ गया, अगले दिन से एकदम मार्केट ऊपर चली गई. दिस डजंट हैपन. द मार्केट टेक्स टाइम. ओके, कभी भी याद रखना, द मार्केट ऑलवेज गिव्स यू अ यू टाइप रिवर्सल, नेवर अ वी टाइप रिवर्सल. ऐसा नहीं होता कि एकदम से मार्केट उठना शुरू हो गई. There are some cases, but only 1 to 2%. You have to understand the market gives you a chance of reversal. Okay, so the market gives you a chance of reversal, which means that the sentiments change very slowly. इतने टाइम से मार्केट गिर रही थी, एकदम से तो मार्केट में सेंटिमेंट्स चेंज नहीं हो सकते ना. सो it takes time for the sentiments of the market to change. Okay, that gives you the answer of the U type reversal. Okay, so यहाँ पर हैमर पैटर्न बना and then there's a very good probability कि फ्यूचर में मार्केट ऊपर जा सकती है. एंड यहाँ पर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वेयर टू बाय, वेयर टू एंटर द स्टॉक. ओके, फॉर दैट आंसर यू विल हैव टू अटेंड द लाइव सेशंस. ओके, सो वेयर टू बाय. ओके, सो हैमर बना, देयर इज अ वेरी गुड चांस आगे जाके मार्केट में रिवर्सल आ सकता है. एंड माइंड इट, द हैमर कैन बी ईदर रेड और ईदर ग्रीन. ओके, ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट. व्हेन this type of candle appears at the bottom, okay, appears at the bottom, we will call it a hammer pattern. Okay, a hammer pattern. Okay, so now we'll understand the dynamics of these candlesticks. Okay, dynamics समझते हैं. चलो, let's talk about the red candle. So what happened was market एकदम से नीचे आ रहा है. Okay, now you know about the opening, closing, highs and lows. अब देखो, what is happening right here is the market opened here. Say for example, this is 100 rupees price mark. The market opened here and then suddenly there was a sell off in the market. एकदम से sell off आया and market made a low of say for example 90 rupees. 10% नीचे आ गई. And if you see very closely, the opening and the high of the candle are equal. Opening और high दोनों same है. Okay, so what happened उसके बाद is the market made a low, there was a sudden sell off in the market, and what happened was in the last lecture I talked about profit booking, right. Profit booking is retracement. थोड़ा सा market ऊपर आता है, but इसमें क्या हुआ, एकदम से market में ऊपर का momentum आया, which means that buyers are interested now. 90 पे प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हुई एंड बायर्स आर ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टिंग, न्यू बायर्स कम इन द मार्केट. ओके, पहले तो शॉर्ट सेलर्स अपना प्रॉफिट बुक कर रहे थे, नाउ न्यू बायर्स आर ऑल्सो कमिंग इन द मार्केट एंड दे आर पुशिंग द स्टॉक अप. And then at closing at 3:30 the market closes at, say for example, 97 rupees. Now you see पहले 10% कम हुई, फिर एकदम से 7% उठ गई, or maybe 8% उठ गई. Okay, so 97 पे closing and there was a gap of 3 rupees between the opening and the closing. Now you understand the dynamics. सुबह एकदम से market में sell off आया, alright, and then people booked their profit and new buyers came in. So you understand the dynamics are changing, the sentiments of people are changing, more buyers are coming in the market. When we learn about indicators na, wahan par I'll tell you about an indicator, and on that indicator you will see that there's a lot of volume also. See, volume is very very important. Volume and momentum, these are the two things that are very very important for any stock to go up. अगर मोमेंटम नहीं होगा, वॉल्यूम नहीं होगी, तो मार्केट ऊपर नहीं जाएगी, स्टॉक का प्राइस ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. ओके, सो द मार्केट क्लोज्ड एट 97 rupees. Okay, and sentiments of people changed. Okay, so this was the dynamics behind the candle. Okay, now few pointers. Bottom पे बने, either it can be red, either it can be green. See, the dynamics are same. यहाँ पर इसकी opening है ये and इसकी closing है ये. Okay, इसकी closing है ये. So it says, this candle says that buyers have overwhelmed the sellers. अब देखो सुबह समझो क्या हुआ. The market opened at this point. Okay, then there was a sudden sell off. Market एकदम से नीचे आई, and then what happened was people booked their profits and new buyers came in. New buyers entered the stock. जैसे ही 100 रुपीज़ पे उसने स्टॉक ने ओपनिंग करी, एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर दैट ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग आर द टू थिंग्स दैट आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द स्टॉक, एंड इट टेक्स द स्टॉक अ लॉट ऑफ पावर टू ब्रेक द ओपनिंग ऑफ द स्टॉक. ओके, एकदम से ओपनिंग तोड़ी और स्टॉक ऊपर चला गया. This means that people are interested in the market, people are willing to buy, more people are coming in, more volume is there, more momentum is there. So the stock opened at 100 rupees and closed at 105 rupees. So now you see there was a sell off in the market came down, and then the sellers were not able to take the stock down, and the buyers overwhelmed and took the stock above the opening of the stock and closed above the opening of the stock. So 100 was the opening and 105 was the closing. So buyers overwhelmed or outperformed the sellers, and then there was a good buying sentiments in the market. And mind it, अगर bottom पे green candle बने, this shows a good probability कि market में आगे जाके जल्दी reversal आ सकता है, because now the buyers have outperformed the market. Okay, I'm telling this with a lot of conviction because it's very very important. अगर आपका fundamental नहीं बना, then there's no use of technical analysis. So understand the dynamics. These candles are not important. अब there can be a little wick, छोटी wick हो सकती है, but बहुत लंबी wick ना हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा, right? And the longer the wick, the better the reversal. Alright, अब say for example the stock opened at 1000 and went till 950 and opened and closed at 1020 rupees. So went down by 50 and went up by 70. So the longer the wick, the better the reversal. You will see this in the actual market when I do the live session. So do attend the live session. Now I just finished with the hammer. In the next lecture I'll talk about the hanging man. Stay tuned.